TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Now, this one seems easy enough, and they are paying fairly decent for what they are asking you to do. They don't require any kind of college degree. We're going to dive all into it. Just know if you're interested in applying, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Easy Cater. Now, Easy Cater is a trusted provider of corporate food solutions with purpose built for business. So they work with different restaurants in the corporate food world to make scalable food solutions that allow different restaurants and organizations to centralize and track their food spend and fulfill everything from their daily employee meals to client meetings to all the things that restaurants have to handle. They are hiring a menu quality specialist. Now, this is remote work from home within the United States only, but a menu quality specialist just reviews and edits the Easy Cater menus for quality and accuracy as they go live on their platform. So you want to make sure that the menu is correct, there's no spelling errors, all the things before putting them live on the platform. You'll revise and maintain their catalog of existing menus as offerings change over time. You may also provide written and verbal feedback to support both the new and veteran teammates as they learn the best practices, adjust to new processes, and make quality improvements. So basically, once you learn how to do the job and you become good at it, you might end up training new people. You own process enhancements to propel success for their catering partners. So this is mainly a non-phone job. You'll be reviewing and editing the menus and putting them live on the online platform. Now, again, they don't require any college degree. They're looking for someone who can have dedication to the finer details because you'll be reviewing and correcting menus on multiple platforms in a variety of formats. Someone who has a very high attention to those small little details. They are looking for someone who is experienced with editing content, a passion for learning, and great verbal and written communication skills, and someone has a growth mindset and a passion for innovations and trying new things. Now, if that sounds like you, they are paying anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $53,000 a year for this position. And it also looks like they offer standard benefit packages with medical, dental, vision, 401k, all the things. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for because I am always reading those and keeping that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.